So I call this my lemonade from lemon stool. I'll tell you why coming up. Oh yeah, how did I get this awesome color? It's not paint, but I'll tell you how I did it at the end of the video. So this past summer, I had a customer reach out to me to make 2 round oak tabletops. We agreed on the price, the details, and after I bought this oak, I went to confirm one last detail with the customer a week later, and he had already had somebody make them for him. Needless to say, I was a little bit mad, but you know what? The oak is being used now. The customer that I'm making this step stool for is using it for exercise purposes, so I'm going to make it extra sturdy by laminating these 2 pieces of oak together. This is a really great pickup if you're using dowels for your joinery. It lines the drill bit right in the center of your stock and it clamps in place. Now I'm off to rip and cross-cut the rest of the pieces for the step stool. I use the drum sander a ton in the workshop. This is a perfect use for it, getting the surfaces flat. So while I'm dominoing here, I want to thank everyone who has subscribed to my channel so far. I have a ton of new content coming up in the new year. Plus, if you're enjoying the video so far, hit that like button and please subscribe. I really appreciate it. I'm doing some final sanding here on the underside of the step stool. I like to use this for the sanding. I also use a card scraper if there's any glue stuck in the corners. The dry fit is money. These are super slick countersink bits. I use it all the time. It doesn't mar the surface of your wood. This is the secret sauce for the finish for this one, India ink. It's the first time I've tried using it too. It works really well. It took 3 coats to get it right in the grain of the oak, but as you can see, the color is on point. And I'm finishing it off with some semi-gloss poly.